हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। दिस इज आदित्य प्रजापति और आप देख रहे हैं आदि इंग्लिश वाला। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इफ आई वुड स्टार्ट लर्निंग इंग्लिश नाउ व्हाट वुड आई डू, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स दैट I would follow if I would start learning English now. So you have to watch this video. If you are a beginner, then you definitely have to watch this video till the end, so that actually भैया is calling me for something.
चैनल कहते हैं ना।
Adi English wala. There are only 870 subscribers because this is a very small channel.
A ना।
ADI.
Where are you from?
I am from Kutubpur.
तो
Yeah.
से यहाँ आए vlogging करने।
Actually, I had some work. I had to buy something. That is why I came here, and I thought that I should definitely make a vlog. So I'm making. Actually, I took a challenge that I have to speak on the public places on this much crowd, so that my viewers will get motivation. They will be inspired by watching these videos. So I'm just completing my challenge. Yeah, definitely I will upload. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Come to the point I was telling about. If I would start learning English now, what would I do? I would start speaking from my first day of learning journey. I would start speaking. I would start speaking from my first day without thinking about any other steps, without thinking about any kinds of things. I would just start speaking. I would just start speaking from my first day, so that whatever the things I have in my mind, I already have in my mind, I will just try to explain those things in English language. I will just try to explain. I will just try to put out those things from my mind. That is why I would just start speaking from my first day. That must be your first step. If you are a beginner, if you want to learn this language, if you want to speak fluent English, if you want to be a fluent speaker, you just have to start speaking from your first day of learning journey. You definitely have to start without thinking about any other steps, without thinking about listening practice, learning grammatical things. You just need to practice. You just need to start practicing English. Okay, so that must be your first step. So you have to learn, you have to note down everything, you have to take down whatever I am saying, whatever the step I am talking, you have to follow all the steps accordingly. Okay, and guys, second step, what would I do? I would just start listening to the things only in English language. I would stop watching. I would stop watching everything in Hindi language. I would stop. I would just watch everything in English language. I would just watch everything in English language. Like if I'm watching any vlog, if I'm watching speeches, if I'm watching any movie, if I'm listening to the songs, I would just listen. I would just start listening only in English language. That would be my second step. So I'm just saying you have to start listening to the things only in English language if you want to learn this language, because only everything starts with listening practice. Because when we were kid, what we used to do, what do we used to do when we were kid? Actually, we used to listen to the things in our regional language. Our mom and dad used to, whatever they used to talk, we used to listen to the things. And after passing some times, after once we have started speaking, so we just started speaking automatically because we used to listen to the things. So we are just watching everything, whatever they are doing. This is what I am saying. You have to start. You have to start listening to the things only in English language. That must be your second step. Okay, got it? And what should be your third step? Actually, I don't know where am I going. I'm just making this vlog, and in this flow, I'm just going anywhere. These guys are saying, take my photo, take my video. So I'm just taking a video of these guys. And guys, I came here. I don't know what is this place about. I just came here in the flow. Guys, what would be the step number third? What would be the step number third? I would just start surrounding myself in English language. I already have done. I already have started speaking. I already have started listening to the things only in English language. So I just need to do two more things. Those are I would just start surrounding myself in English speaking. Yes, definitely I will upload. So I would just, what would I do? You just need to do two more things for surrounding yourself in English speaking environment. One of those is you have to surround yourself in this language in your room. You have to stick these stickers. You have to stick all these stickers in your room, like you are an English learner, you are an English teacher. You have to stick these stickers, these kinds of stickers you have to stick around you in your room, so that you are just watching everything every day. You are just watching like you are a serious English learner. You, I mean, literally want to learn this language. So this must be your third step. Without having any kinds of interference, without having any kinds of doubt in your mind, you have to start surrounding yourself in English speaking environment. And guys, fourth step, the last step is I would start writing diary. Why am I saying this? Because whenever we are writing something, we are not only writing those things, we are just thinking in our mind. So it will help us to start thinking. It will help us to know new kinds of sentences, new kinds of structures, new kinds of grammatical things. So this is how you will improve. So English is not only about speaking, but also you will have to follow many other steps for learning this language flawlessly, effortlessly, for learning this language very soon, very soon. So guys, these are the steps that I would do if I would start learning English now. So without having any kinds of doubt, you have to follow these steps accordingly. You have to follow, and no one can stop you to learn this language. No one can be a hurdle in front of you while you are learning this language. You will hit it, you will be fluent, you will become a fluent speaker. So have a good day. We will meet in another video. I think you have found this video very helpful. If you have found the video helpful, then you must subscribe this channel, you must like this video, you must comment on this video that you are doing very good, you are helping us. So have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.